Hey there, this is Michelle. I'm the stamp booker, and I am here today to participate in the Paper Snob, Tara, her Rainbow Crush Hop for the month of January 2026. This month we're doing turquoise, and I had to play along. So I sometimes I overcomplicate things. I pulled out all kinds of collections with turquoise. Um, but in the end, I went through a cube of pre-made layouts that I made years ago when I was a consultant with Close to My Heart. So I found this layout and I thought this is perfect. And so then I went into Google Photos and searched for turquoise and orange. I ended up backing up and just going turquoise. So I'm trying to focus on 2014 photos. And here's something funny. I actually I did not create this workshop, but I put mine together in 2014, the same year that these photos that I found. It was a workshop created by a fellow Close to My Heart consultant. Her name is Susan Williams. And I don't know what she's doing now that Close to My Heart closed. If she's with Stampin' Up, probably. But so she created this double page spread, and I was having a hard time coming up with 5 photos. And this is a 5x7, I believe, which could be, 2 like 3.5 by 5s. But I actually even found her layout where she had put photos of her son on the layout. And this is crooked. I don't know if I can even pull this up. That's going to bother me. That's going to really bother me. Anyway, so she had taken just different photos of her son from different times, not like one event. And what did she title it? She stamped it over here. I can't remember now. But I had this kind of stuck right here. I wasn't sure what it was for. So when I saw her layout in my photos, I realized this is supposed to be here. And that's where the title is. And she stamped it with a really cool outline stamp set. But I don't think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to just do this half. And this will be just they'll both be one page layouts. Now I know the triangles are on opposite sides, and the strips go across, and they're not coming up. They are stuck down. But I think this will be cute on its own, and I think this will be cute on its own as well. So I'm going to take this one away, and I want to show you the photos that I found. I also have this camera embellishment, and she had it up here, and I'm thinking I'm going to put it over here. Now, these are photos taken on Mother's Day in 2014, and they're awful. 3 out of 4 are awful photos, really. This one is the only clear one, and my mom is so pretty, and my son, it's just a good photo. And it's funny, now he's 6'6" and totally outgrown her. This one's cute, even though it's blurry, it's cute because they're playing, right? And these were actually horizontal photos that I cropped to vertical. I used my Epson PictureMate Creative Print app to make the collage. Now, this one's awful. It's very blurry, but it's the only one I have of my son and me. And I did make it where I'm going to cut that off anyway, because these are 3x4. So I need to cut these down a little bit anyway. And this one of my mom and me is okay, but see, not as good as these. And I'm going to tell you what happened. My husband is out of the house. So in 2014, we had gone with the Samsung Galaxy from an iPhone 4 because the next iPhone wasn't getting any bigger and we wanted a bigger phone. So we went with the Samsung Galaxy, and y'all, there's nothing wrong with Androids, okay? But this particular phone, it was very easy to take blurry photos. Let me just say that. And my husband wasn't very good at it. So these two he took. He's like, how do you know I took those? I said, because you were the only other person here. This was Mother's Day 2014. My daughter was in college. So who else was there to take these photos? This one, I'm gonna claim this one. I took that one, and I think it turned out really good. This one I took too, but see, she's moving, and so it didn't take. Now, our new iPhones take wonderful photos, and they are hardly ever blurry. Hardly ever blurry. What can I say? So, I'm going to cut these down and put these on here. Hopefully this will fit here. I think I'm going to put actually this one here and this one here because it'll fit the camera better. I found these letter stickers from HipKit Chase the Sun. I think they'll match this orange well enough. And Susan had used these little alphabet tiles and put a word on each photo, which is super cute. I'm not sure I'm going to do that. I also have these cork alphabets, and if you notice, all of these have been with a black pen. They've been outlined in a black pen. So I'm thinking I'm going to say Mother's Day. Mother in this and day in this, and then there are some enamel dots here in these various colors of like teal, and I am going to add some orange ones. Hopefully they don't clash too much with this orange. It is a different color. And then this is a vellum down here with gold dots. So I'm thinking of also adding these Pink Fresh. I actually do not have any gold enamel dots. So I'm going to put probably an orange one and a gold one here to make it a group of 5. I like to do odd numbers. And then probably here, maybe the gold one, because this already has 4. And down here there's 3. I'll add some more. And then I also came across this in my enamel dot storage. I have some little cork pieces. I don't have any more stars, but I do have some other little shapes that might be cute. And then last but not least, I have this that goes with Chase the Sun, and I was thinking about maybe just putting this little vase of flowers on here somewhere. Oh, and see the arrows on this paper? I think these arrows will go well. So, let me cut okay, actually I'm trying to kind of keep the glare down. Let me cut these photos down, and I will put you on fast forward so you can watch. thank you for stopping by. I hope you will check everybody else playing along with this hop and see how they created turquoise layouts. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate the likes and the comments, and I hope that I am putting out content that you enjoy. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.